Ever wonder how businesses move goods from factory to customer without chaos? The answer is a logistics management system, or LMS.
Without an LMS, companies face missed deliveries, high transportation costs, and poor visibility across the supply chain.
But with an LMS, businesses streamline logistics, improve accuracy, and coordinate supply chain activities seamlessly.
An LMS handles order processing, transportation management, inventory visibility, and warehouse coordination. For example, when an order is placed, the LMS checks stock levels, schedules transport, and updates delivery status, all in one system. This reduces delays and improves customer satisfaction.
A strong LMS isn't just about moving goods. It's about creating a synchronized, efficient supply chain from end to end.